Welcome to my channel. Top 5 benefits of buying a remanufactured Audi engine. 1. You save big on cost. You'll notice right away that a remanufactured Audi engine costs much less than buying brand new. We're talking thousands in savings, and that money can go toward other upgrades or maintenance. 2. You get like new quality. These engines aren't just pulled out and resold. They're fully rebuilt with brand new parts, inspected, and tested. So you get an engine that performs like new without the new engine price tag. 3. You have warranty protection. Most remanufactured Audi engines come with a solid warranty. That's something you usually don't get with a used engine, and it gives you peace of mind if anything goes wrong. 4. You extend your car's life. Dropping in a remanufactured engine can add years to your Audi's life. Instead of getting rid of the car or spending a fortune on a new engine, you keep your vehicle running strong. 5. You're making an eco-friendly choice. Remanufactured engines reuse and recycle parts instead of wasting them. So you're not only saving money, you're also helping reduce waste and being a little kinder to the environment. Save money, get like new performance, and go eco-friendly globe showing Europe, Africa. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more car tips. Thanks for watching.